Hey everyone, 100+ degree weather and crazy out here going for a run. It's ridiculous. But anyway, hey, I was thinking about this. Oftentimes you go to work and it's like you see something that you don't like and you say, oh, I just don't like the way they do that, whether it's managing a project or how work orders are created or whatever. And instead you kind of hold that in, right? It's like, and you just kind of let fester and maybe you gripe about it to somebody else. Have you ever thought about coming up with a great solution for seeing things you don't like at your shop? And you might say, well, I'm just an installer or I'm just a designer. That's okay. Great companies are built on good ideas that come from the team. So if you see something at your shop that's not working exactly the way you'd like it, don't be afraid to bring it up. All right, go make great signs. Have a great day. Bye. Don't run when it's over 100 degrees. That's a public service announcement. Have a great day.